Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on new trends in sales management. Let's start with the first one, global perspective. Global competition is increasing. Domestic companies that never had to worry about foreign competitors are now surrounded by them. The sales forces of foreign companies must be met by the salespeople and managers of domestic companies. They must also work on improving their own selling efforts in other countries. The difference in culture, different currencies, languages, etc. are the few challenges that sales managers face when they sell goods in the global market. Since many global markets are growing rapidly and emerging, opportunities must be considered by sales managers as well. A firm does not necessarily have to be big to sell globally. Small and medium-sized companies can also sell in the global market. Next, revolution in technology. The capabilities of marketing organizations and consumers have considerably increased due to the management of information and digital revolution. Buyers can now compare suppliers' cost, get product information, and place orders online in just a few seconds. A great amount of information is accessible to them about almost everything online. A new set of capabilities is also acquired by marketing organizations. More details about the firm and its products and services can be gathered by them. And moving further, two-way communications can be had with customers, suppliers, intermediaries, and prospects. Moving to the third trend, sales force diversity. There is a variation and change happening in the demographic characteristics of the sales force. Example, more selling and sales management posts are being held by women. In addition to that, salespeople are now educated with postgrad or college degrees. Now a sales team consisting of less and more educated people, seniors and women will have to be managed by sales managers. The tools that will not be the same and expectation and needs of different sales forces will vary. Moving forward, the next trend of team selling approach. In the past few years, team selling is widely practiced by a majority of companies. When a company wants to develop a long-lasting and mutually beneficial relationship with major clans of consumers with high profit potential in sales, team selling approach is used. A technically complex service or product is sold to a potential customer with the help of this approach. Generally, the seeking team consists of managers, customer service agent, technical specialists, etc. But this composition varies depending on the client's buying center's member. Next, managing multi-channels. Using two or more marketing channels to get to customers might cause problems like conflict and control for organizations, since the customer will be pursued by two or more channels. Hence, it is a major challenge to manage multiple channels. Next, ethical and social issues. Sales managers have ethical and social responsibilities. Ethical issues such as deception, bribery, and high-pressure tactics are faced by salespeople all the time. Some examples are when high-pressure tactics are used to commit wrong delivery schedules to customers that are in urgent need of raw materials, when customers are misled by the exaggeration of product benefits, and when gift or payment is given to get an order. Sales managers are forced to ensure ethical standards amongst the sales force, or they might end up landing in legal problems or be out of business. And finally, the trend of e-selling. A company can sell its products online if their website is converted from a promotional tool to a fully functional e-commerce platform. Customers are increasingly expecting companies to manage their sales online. E-purchasing is a buying of services and goods from online suppliers. The marketing efforts of a company like promotion and selling are executed online in the case of e-marketing. E-selling is a part of e-marketing that converts the passive visitors of a company into its target audience. Shopping cart services and software must be carefully chosen for a company to sell effectively online. Secure server systems must be used, and the company should support customers before, after, and during the purchase. Now moving on to an example of Amazon and its art of e-selling. First, they offer a personalized recommendation system. When it comes to using an all-inclusive collaborating filtering engine, Amazon is a front runner. It surveys products put in your wish list, put in your shopping cart, your review and rates, and products more searched by you. It creates an image of you and looks for similar profiles. It then provides you suggestions of things bought by them. This is how it narrows down on what it thinks you might want to purchase. Every 10 minutes, the cost of the product changes, since the price of a product keeps changing about 2.5 million times a day. Moving further, return request for signs of frauds. The engine makes informed decisions with respect to the cost of items by surveying data relating to everything varying from the inventory available to the competitor's pricing. This is only feasible due to the tremendous amount of companies' data available. Amazon has to also deal with retail fraud regularly due to the brand's fame in the e-commerce section. It finds out which transactions have a high probability of being fraudulent with the help of machine learning algorithms and real-time and historical data, points exceeding 2,000 per order. Annually, fraudulent transactions with millions of dollars are withheld by the system. A few of Amazon's regular customers complained of being banned due to many returns in 2018. As stated in the example, company looks further into people who, according to their data, return a big percentage of item in the past couple of months. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on new trends in sales management. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.